grilled herb steak. Ingredients needed: 2 tablespoons fresh thyme leaves, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh oregano leaves, minced. 1 teaspoon fresh rosemary leaves, minced. 1 teaspoon dried marjoram. 1 teaspoon whole cumin. 1 teaspoon dried lavender buds. 1 large garlic clove, minced. 4 8-ounce ribeye steaks. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Cooking spray. Step 1. Combine first 7 ingredients in a small bowl. Rub both sides of steaks with herb mixture. Place steaks in a shallow dish, cover and refrigerate 4 hours. Step 2. Remove steaks from refrigerator. Sprinkle both sides of steaks with salt and pepper, let stand at room temperature 20 minutes. Step 3. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. Step 4. Place steaks on grill rack coated with cooking spray, grill 2 minutes on each side or until desired degree of doneness. Remove from grill. Cover steaks loosely with foil, let stand 5 minutes.